In this section, we're going to be seeing how to use Canvas to exploit a Windows XP machine. So let's get started. So let's go to our Canvas over here, Applications, Accessories, and go to Terminal, and go to the opt/canvas folder /run canvas.sh. So we're going to be running this file, and Canvas has opened up. And we have to add a target, which is going to be our Windows XP machine. So let's just go to that, go to run, and open up CMD and find the IP address using ipconfig command. So the IP address is 192.168.56.103. So an attacker is going to add the host over here, which is going to be 192.168.56.103, and hit on OK. And you can see the current target has been changed over here. So first let's do some reconnaissance. So we'll go to the recon section, and we're going to be using the port scanner first. So let's open up the port scanner, set the host, and let us give a custom range over here, which is 135, 139 and 445 only, and hit OK. So the port scanner is running. So if you go to the canvas log, you can see it's running the scan. You can see it is showing what are all the ports that are open. So it's found that 135, 139 and 445 are open. So let's run a OS detection scan. So let's give the IP address, hit OK. So OS detect has found it's a Windows XP computer, SP3 or SP2, and it has found it using SMB OS detection, and it has found that the languages are either English, Arabic or Hebrew. And it has found this using the SMB service that is running on 445. So let's close this and go to exploits, remote, Windows, and there is a very famous SMB exploit that we're going to be using right now. So let's just search for that. Okay, this is the MS08067 exploit, and this is a very stable and famous exploit that is still currently used by many attackers. And you can see it has a rating of 10, and the connect back type can be universal MOSDEF. So let's just double click on this, and you can select the language that you want to attack, and the attack is being run. So you can see here listener node has opened up, and a new item has come in the node tree. So you can run commands over here. So we can get the current running directory, which is system32. So you can download a file, upload a file, and you can change directories if you want. So let's go to the C directory. So the working directory right now is C. So let's give get directory listing, and you can see it's listing the files in that system right now. So let's give ipconfig command and run the command. You can see you get the IP address of that machine, which is 192.168.56.103. So we can open the file system browser, and this will allow us to easily view the files in that system. So let's open up C and documents and settings. So let's open up the user XP and open up desktop, in which is a common folder in which many people store important data. So you can see there's a file called confidential.doc, and you can just download it, and you can see it has downloaded the file confidential.doc into the attacker's machine. So you can see it's in this directory over here. So let's open up home and go to the file system from here, OPT, canvas, and go to reports, default, the IP address, and downloaded files, and you can see the downloaded file over here, which might contain some confidential information. So you can run some commands which are specific to these nodes, and you can get the drives that are attached to that computer. So if you run that, you can see it is saying the different drives. C is a fixed drive, E is a CD-ROM drive, and T is again a drive CD-ROM. And just close the file system browser. So suppose you had closed the listener, you can get it back by going to listeners and double clicking on listener shell, and this will open up the listener for the active node, and you can continue to run commands from here.